Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. And today's video I'm going to be doing a review on Dhohoo organic pet wipes for cats and dogs. So let's get right into the video. So what we have here is an amazing organic pet wipe by Dhohoo company. This company promised that in their product it is non-toxic, parabens, it has no parabens, alcohol-free, and it's hypoallergenic. According to the instructions, in order to use the organic pet wipe, you're just going to gently use it on your cat coat or your dog's coat, nice and soft. Make sure you get gentle around there, have a good demonstrator here. So this material is very gentle, and it doesn't have anything to irritate your cat's skin. It doesn't dry it off, so you can just rub around their coat. You can also take their paws and just gently around their paws. Okay, gently. And if they actually like poo, my cat doesn't have any poo on her right now, you can actually go in the back and just clean this nice little strokes, gentle. Hey, where you going, buddy? And just nice. There you go. I highly recommend you purchase these organic pet wipes if they are cheap, high quality, sensitive for the your animal skin, doesn't like dry it out, and very good quality. Our cat typically like to be outside, so we got to bring her in the house sometime. Just get on the side. She's not gonna let me she isn't gonna let me rub her paws right now, but as you can see, it's very good wipes. Okay. So I hope you like this review, and thank you for watching the video.